sound is O. All the toys are left in a row. I flung a big snowball at Jill. Can I take the yellow sweet? I show my teeth when I smile. I broke my long yellow pencil. I hope this small seed will grow. Soft white snow fell from the sky. Throw the ball and I will catch it. I left the plant on the windowsill. I can see my shadow on the wall. The coach went up the narrow street. Frank had a lot of blood on his elbow. The pillow on my bed is soft and fluffy. The small, thin rabbit ran into the burrow. The bowl is full of ripe grapes, plums and grapes. The rich man stood at the open window. May I borrow the pink bowl for a moment? My mum says that I am as slow as a snail. David swam in the shallow end of the pool. Jane put a big yellow bow on the doll's hair. Jack drove up the narrow street at full speed.